Butters, we were supposed to leave 40 minutes ago. Oh, finally.
Happy birthday, Kyle. I just wanted to stop by and give you your present.
Oh, wait, Cartman.
Yes?
Butters didn't show. You want to go to Casa Bonita with us?
Butters didn't show? I can't believe it.
All right, let's go.
Okay, boys, get in the car.
Casa Bonita, here we come.
Hello, everyone. Have any of you seen our son?
Butters was supposed to go with us to Casa Bonita tonight.
We know, but he hasn't been home since last night. Please let us know if you find out anything.
Oh, Butters!
Yeah, man, that sucks about Butters. Well, let's get going, shall we?
Dude, I can't go to have a birthday party while Butters is missing. We should help look for him.
Yeah.
That's very good of you, boys. We can postpone Casa Bonita until next Saturday.
Next Saturday? I'll never be able to keep Butters down in the depths of my heart for that long.
Hello? Hello?
Butters! Ah! Butters! Oh God, it was horrible.
What happened?
The meteor struck the Earth sooner than I predicted. You best wait for the radiation levels to go down. Probably next week sometime. After Saturday. I've got to go. All right, just 6 days, Butters.
We spread our search to duct pipes, wells, and bomb shelters.
Ah!
Eric? Eric, is that you?
Oh God, they're coming! They're coming! We gotta get you out of here, come on! Oh, no, wait, I forgot! The toxic radiation! Hey, wait, we can use this box. There we go. That should keep you protected from the toxins.
Are we out in the destruction?
Yes, there's nothing but smoldering bodies all around you. Burnt out buildings and what used to be our town.